Think about it, your bathroom is one of the first places you start your day and the last space you visit before going to bed. In 2026, bathrooms are no longer just functional rooms. They've evolved into personal sanctuaries, a mix of comfort, technology, and modern style. From minimalist designs with clean lines to luxury spa-like retreats, and from eco-friendly setups to high-tech smart bathrooms, the design possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need a massive budget or a huge space to make your bathroom look stylish and modern. In this video, we'll explore 100+ bathroom design ideas and the hottest interior trends of 2026. Whether you have a tiny apartment bathroom or a spacious master suite, you'll discover fresh ideas, smart layouts, and stunning styles that will inspire your next makeover. So let's dive in and see how you can transform your bathroom into a place that's not just functional, but also relaxing, stylish, and perfectly suited to your lifestyle. 1. Minimalist and modern bathrooms. In 2026, minimalism is not just a design style, it's a lifestyle. Minimalist bathrooms are all about creating a peaceful space where less truly feels like more. Instead of filling the bathroom with bulky cabinets or unnecessary decor, designers are focusing on open layouts and clean lines. Floating vanities are one of the biggest trends here. They not only look sleek but also make the room feel more spacious by showing more of the floor. Pair them with wall-mounted faucets for a truly streamlined effect. Frameless glass showers are another key feature, giving the space an almost invisible divider that makes even a small bathroom feel twice as big. Color palettes are soft and neutral, shades of white, beige, gray, and sometimes black accents for contrast. Matte finishes, especially in black or brushed gold, are replacing shiny chrome for a modern yet understated look. To keep the space clutter-free, hidden storage compartments behind mirrors or under sinks are essential. This style is ideal if you love the feeling of a hotel-like bathroom at home. Fresh, simple, and timeless. 2. Nature-inspired bathrooms. In 2026, one of the most refreshing bathroom trends is the nature-inspired design. This style is perfect if you want your bathroom to feel like a calming retreat in the middle of a busy city life. The color palette here takes inspiration directly from the earth. Soft greens, sandy beige, stone gray, and warm browns. Materials like raw stone, pebbled tiles, bamboo, and natural wood create an organic atmosphere. A stone basin on a wooden vanity instantly brings a touch of the outdoors inside. Adding greenery is another must-have. Even a small bathroom can feel alive with a potted plant on the vanity, hanging vines near the window, or a cluster of succulents on a shelf. Some luxury homes are even installing vertical green walls inside bathrooms for a true spa experience. To complete the look, natural light plays a huge role. Large windows, skylights, or frosted glass panels help bring in sunlight while maintaining privacy. The end result is a bathroom that feels fresh, airy, and perfectly balanced, like a mini spa retreat that connects you to nature every day. 3. Luxury spa-like designs. If you've ever dreamed of having a spa at home, 2026 is your year. Spa-inspired bathrooms are one of the top luxury trends, and they're all about relaxation, indulgence, and escape. The centerpiece of these bathrooms is often a freestanding bathtub, designed to be the star of the room. Pair it with a floor-mounted faucet and place it near a large window for a dramatic effect. Rainfall showers with multiple jets are also essential for creating that spa-like feel, and some even include steam features for a true wellness experience. Materials are rich and luxurious: marble walls, onyx countertops, quartz vanities, and metallic finishes in gold or brass. Lighting is designed to set the mood. Recessed ceiling lights for brightness, under vanity LED strips for a soft glow, and dimmable options to create a relaxing environment at night. Spa bathrooms are about more than just looks, they're about atmosphere. Add scented candles, built-in speakers for soft music, and heated towel racks to complete the luxury experience. These bathrooms are perfect for homeowners who want their daily routines to feel like a vacation at home. 4. Smart and high-tech bathrooms. The future has officially arrived in our bathrooms. Smart technology is one of the biggest trends for 2026, turning ordinary bathrooms into high-tech experiences. Imagine walking in and your smart mirror lights up automatically, displaying the weather, news, or even your calendar. Floors with built-in heating keep your feet warm in winter, and touchless faucets improve hygiene while saving water. Smart toilets are also gaining popularity, offering features like heated seats, built-in bidets, and even automatic cleaning. Lighting is another area where technology shines. With smart controls, you can adjust brightness, color, and even set lighting moods with just a voice command or a smartphone app. Want bright light in the morning and a calming blue glow at night? It's all possible. Some homes are even adding integrated sound systems in the bathroom, so you can listen to your favorite music, podcasts, or guided meditations while getting ready or winding down. The combination of convenience, comfort, and luxury makes smart bathrooms the ultimate upgrade for modern living. This trend is ideal for anyone who loves technology, values efficiency, and wants their bathroom to feel futuristic yet functional. 5 small bathroom solutions. Not everyone has the luxury of a giant bathroom, but here's the good news. In 2026, small bathroom design is smarter than ever. The focus is on clever layouts, space-saving furniture, and optical tricks that make compact rooms look spacious. For example, wall-mounted sinks and toilets are a game-changer. By lifting fixtures off the floor, you create the illusion of more space while also making cleaning easier. Similarly, replacing traditional swing doors with sliding or pocket doors saves valuable square footage. When it comes to storage, think vertical. Tall, slim cabinets or shelves built into the walls use height instead of floor space. Even mirrors can multitask. Medicine cabinets with mirrored fronts provide hidden storage while reflecting light to make the room feel bigger. Designers also use glass shower partitions instead of bulky curtains, and light, neutral colors to visually expand the space. Add in strategic lighting like LED strips around mirrors, and even the smallest bathroom can feel modern, organized, and surprisingly open. This section of design proves that no matter how small the space, it can still look stylish and functional. 6. Bold colors and statement walls. While neutral bathrooms will always be timeless, 2026 is seeing a bold shift. Homeowners are saying goodbye to plain white walls and embracing rich colors and dramatic statement walls. Deep jewel tones like navy blue, emerald green, and burgundy are making waves, adding a sense of luxury and personality. Black is also trending, whether it's a full matte black wall or black and gold pattern tiles. It instantly makes a bathroom look elegant and edgy. For those who love art and texture, mosaic tiles, Moroccan-inspired patterns, or oversized geometric designs are being used to turn one wall or floor into a true statement piece. Some people are even experimenting with waterproof wallpapers featuring floral prints, metallic textures, or abstract patterns for a modern twist. The beauty of this trend is that you don't need to renovate the entire bathroom. Just one bold wall behind the vanity, shower, or bathtub can instantly transform the entire room. It's about using design to tell a story and make your bathroom truly stand out. 7. Sustainable and eco-friendly designs. In 2026, bathroom design isn't just about style, it's also about responsibility. More and more people are embracing eco-friendly and sustainable bathrooms, creating spaces that are beautiful, functional, and kind to the environment. Water-saving toilets and faucets are leading the way, designed to reduce water waste without compromising performance. Shower heads are also smarter, using less water but increasing pressure for the same relaxing experience. When it comes to materials, eco-conscious homeowners are choosing bamboo vanities, recycled glass tiles, and reclaimed wood shelving. These not only look stunning but also reduce environmental impact. Even countertops made from recycled stone and concrete are gaining popularity for their unique textures. Lighting plays a big role too. LED fixtures, motion sensors, and solar-powered water heaters are helping cut down on energy bills while making bathrooms smarter and more efficient. The best part? Eco-friendly doesn't mean boring. In fact, these designs often feel warmer, more natural, and more personal. Sustainable bathrooms in 2026 prove that you can care for the planet and still enjoy a space that feels luxurious and modern. 8. Lighting trends 2026. Lighting has always been important in bathrooms, but in 2026, It's becoming a true design feature. Instead of just one overhead light, designers are layering different types of lighting to create functionality and mood. One big trend is under vanity LED strips. These not only make bathrooms look futuristic, but also act as night lights, adding a soft glow without disturbing the entire room. Mirrors are also evolving. Backlit or smart mirrors with built-in lighting provide perfect visibility for grooming while adding elegance to the space. Luxury bathrooms are taking it even further with statement lighting fixtures, pendant lights, chandeliers, or even sculptural lighting pieces above freestanding tubs. These instantly turn a bathroom into a glamorous showcase. Natural light is also more important than ever. Designers are using skylights, larger frosted windows, and glass block walls to let in sunlight while maintaining privacy. The combination of natural and artificial light ensures that bathrooms look bright during the day and calming at night. In short, lighting in 2026 isn't just about visibility. It's about creating atmosphere, highlighting design details, and making the bathroom a more enjoyable place to start and end your day. And there you have it, over 100 bathroom design ideas and the biggest interior trends for 2026. From sleek minimalist styles and calming nature-inspired looks, to indulgent spa-like retreats, futuristic smart bathrooms, and even eco-friendly, sustainable designs. There's truly something here for every home, every budget, and every lifestyle. The bathroom is no longer just a place for quick routines. It's becoming a personal sanctuary, where design, comfort, and innovation come together. Whether you want to create a cozy space for a small apartment, add bold personality with a statement wall, or transform your master bath into a spa-like escape, the trends of 2026 give you endless possibilities. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which bathroom style was your favorite? Would you go for the clean lines of minimalism, the luxury of marble and gold, or the freshness of nature-inspired designs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you choose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interior design inspiration and home trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more stylish ideas to transform your home.